the wonderful world of Disney, and it would be an hour of family entertainment. Mm-hmm. Now, from these leaked videos that were posted on Twitter, we know that they've got a hidden agenda. And part of the agenda, well, hidden no longer, now part of their public woke agenda is the fact that I think the CEO of the company or president said that going forward they would like to have half of all the characters be LGBT or racial minorities. All of that, at least 50%.
Are they going to put a parental notice on the outside of their new movies that are doing that, so that the people who don't want their children to see that will know that this is not an appropriate movie if you don't want to teach your kids that at an early age?
A lot of people are just going to boycott Disney. They're going to go, you know what, I don't need to go with their agenda. He also said, the president, that he says that the Republicans are targeting transgender children and stop them from playing sports. Is that the idiot's guide to understanding what actually is going on? Transgender or transitioning athletes competing against other women. Obviously, there's a fairness issue that has women, dare I say, maybe even Democratic women, upset / girls. Well,
you've got to wonder politically what the research says, why the president would be doing this. Obviously, it is of interest to part of his base. I know we were talking to 3 moms from, a couple of them live down in Florida about 20 minutes ago, and they're shocked by what
they're going to SeaWorld now and not Disney World.
Yeah, right. Exactly. They're voting with their feet.
See a killer whale.
Here's a little bit of their comments regarding Disney's criticism of Florida's House Bill 1557.
Huge mistake. They're opposing parents who are their core consumers with their opposition to this Florida law. The video of their internal meetings were so creepy. They showed people committed to remaking our society in a leftist image. This isn't difficult. Leave the kids alone. They shouldn't be indoctrinated by Mickey Mouse. Let them be kids.
I mean, if you can't say a woman is a woman and a man is a man, you can't greet someone. And so it's a really sort of terrifying environment.
I refuse to give Disney my money any longer. Last night, my husband and we actually deleted the Disney Plus off our account, so that was another direction.